Namaste 11th standard accountancy students, welcome to online classes. In accountancy already we have completed 12 lessons, only 2 lessons are pending that we will be seeing in our online classes. Okay, but even though government has announced one exam, that is the revision exam 1, that is government revision exam. For that portion is up to this page, the unit 1 to 7, introduction of accounting, conceptual framework of accounting, books of prime entry, ledger, trial balance, subsidiary 1, subsidiary books 2. So first of all we have to focus all the 7 chapters and then we have to go all these chapters. What I decide is, in one class we focus on the first 7 chapters. In the next class means weekly we have 3 classes, no? In one class, if we focus of the revision of first 7 chapters, and that second class will be having the lesson from the chapter 12 financial accounting 1 and the chapter 13 financial accounting 2. Okay, here what I have given one homework. Do you remember that? You have to solve the sums from the chapter 3 to chapter 7. So see how many sums are there. 7 to 12, 6 sums. That means in chapter 3 you have 6 sums, 6 problems only. In chapter 4 you have 8 problems. And chapter 5 I think maybe 11 problems. All sums are present, no? In chapter 6 also we have 7 problems, I hope so. Subsidiary books 1 I am telling. And then subsidiary books 2 we have 5 problems, 1 to 5, 6, 7. So moreover we have only 30 problems only, ma. That I have given as a homework in the Pongal holidays. I hope so that you have been completed by this time. Anyhow, some students after hearing that news that up to 31st of January will have no classes, some students might have forgot to do the homework at all. So start from this class. Even you have not touched your accountancy note or book up to this time for the last 1 week, just start from now. What you have to do is, in today's class I'm going to revise this sums. That means in the books of prime entry, see we have 6 sums, no? And then illustration sums, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 illustration sums are there, and problem sums are 6. Many times we have solved the problem sums, ma. So in today's work what I am going to give you is, solve this 8 illustration sum in the accounts note itself. No need to do anything in the accounts paper or A4 sheet. That I have given that work, no, that 30 sums, around 30 sums, all those sums I will be collecting from you from that account sheet when our school reopens. No worries about that. That is separate. But today in this work you have to complete. Do all this 8 illustrations, some understand it conceptually and solve it in your accountancy note and send the photocopies. Okay, send the photocopies to my number. In next class we'll be discussing about the financial accounting 1. And another class we will go to the ledger or some problems of the trial balance, anything. So first 7, this is, we should give the priority to the first 7 chapters. That is very much important. Okay. So do the today's homework, students. It is essential for your career also. This though what you are studying in your plus one and plus two. Plus two also secondary only. What you are studying in your plus one is nearly nearly around 60 to 70 marks will be coming in your BCom first semester. So that much of importance. You will be having your primary entries, ledgers, trial balance, subsidiary in the same sequence you will be having in your college also. So don't forget, don't waste that time. Do the sums very in what to say, in very neat manner. Use the scale and pencils. You will get more time. You are not in school, no, you will have more time. So do the sum politely, do calmly, take your own time.